Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 18th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 25th. Enjoy the holiday with your family. We will have 2 weeks of the holiday shop at the elementary campus with 2 different vendors. The dates of the shop are December 5th through December 16th. Shifts are 8:30 a.m. till 11 o'clock and 11:30 till 2 o'clock. I will need lots of parent volunteers to help. Please email me if you are available to help us. Both campuses are having a holiday spirit week. Monday, December 19th is Pajama Day. Tuesday the 20th is Wear Your Holiday Bling. Wednesday is Ugly Socks and Sweater Day. The secondary campus will have a holiday showcase on December 20th at 6 o'clock p.m. in the cafeteria and a holiday dance on December 21st, also in the cafeteria at 2:15 p.m. Winter break is December 22nd through Tuesday, January 3rd. Students return on Wednesday, January 4th. The secondary Marine Lab field trip is Thursday, February 16th through 17th. The deposit is due on November 28th. There are only 27 open spots, so hurry up and get your deposit in. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. I wanted to wish everybody a very happy holiday break. I hope everybody enjoys, and we look forward to you joining us again on Monday. December is going to be a very busy and productive month. The week of December 5th, all kindergarten through 5th grade students will be taking their iReady diagnostic in both reading and math. Parents, be on a lookout for your iReady growth report for your child. The week of December 12th, kindergarten, 1st grade, and 2nd grade will be taking their progress monitoring 2 assessment in both reading and math. Again, be on a lookout for a report regarding your child's performance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or your child's teacher. Thank you.
Hello, PBMA family. I have a few quick announcements for us today. The first one, we will be holding our honor assembly for quarter 1 students when we return from the Thanksgiving break. So please keep an eye and an ear out for that. Also on March 1st, and we will keep sending reminders, March 1st will be SAT day for our juniors and select seniors. Last SAT day was for seniors only. This one will be focusing on our junior class and as well as select seniors. Our eSports Club meets every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 3:30 to 5 p.m. after school. Please be sure to be prompt when picking up your students. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, students are allowed to bring their own controllers and their own games with Ms. Stone's approval. And they will also get pizza, snacks, and enjoy just a fun activity. When they are home with you, parents, please ensure that they're logging in to their eSports portal where they're able to do their STEM classes. These classes expose them to building their own video games, learning how to edit software, add music, and become adept at creating their own video game universe. So that's our eSports Club. That happens every Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. We are experiencing a family tragedy here at the PBMA secondary campus. During Tropical Storm Nicole, one of our students and her family unfortunately suffered a house fire. We are asking for the community to come together and assist us in raising anything that we can to assist our family members so this transition will be easier for them. Please reach out to Ms. Sherry Cooper or Ms. Karen Sullivan if you would like to make a donation to our PBMA family member. I look forward to hearing from everyone and have a great rest of your day.
On the first Monday of every month at the elementary campus, we celebrate the students who have had no tardies and no unexcused absences by having ice cream sundaes from our ice cream cart. Kindergarten went on their first field trip to see a play at Kravis Center. Then the children ate their lunches in an awesome playground. They especially loved riding in the big yellow school bus. Miss Garcia's Maritime class learned about the states of matter. The class mixed milk, sugar, and vanilla in a bag. In another bag, they had ice and salt. They put the milk bag inside the ice bag and shook it. The liquid milk froze into the solid ice cream. In Miss Hayden's STEM and Environmental Science course, the students built a solar oven. The project incorporated learning about the renewable and non-renewable resources on Earth, as well as the direct transfer of heat from the sun via radiation. This week's lesson in secondary art is creating a turkey mosaic. The students will first draw a turkey design of their choice and then used recycled colored papers to cut pieces to form a mosaic on their turkey. Each turkey is unique, and some students even created a Picasso turkey and a Monet turkey. The secondary campus had fun during Spirit Week. Here are some pictures of everything but a backpack day and Grandma and Grandpa Day. Yearbook for grades K through 12 are on sale. The yearbooks will cost $55 once they get here, but until then, prices start at $35 and will increase by $5 on the first of every month. Orders must be made online for this special pricing. I will email parents the link to order yearbooks. And finally, here are the elementary first trimester awards. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. For fans of Bailey, I have some sad news to report. Bailey crossed over the Rainbow Bridge early this month, and so with a heavy heart, I say for the last time, I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.